Are you tired of dull, lackluster skin that refuses to glow? Are you constantly battling with acne, dark spots, and uneven skin tone? Well, I have some groundbreaking news for you today. Rice, yes, you heard me right. Rice can be the miracle ingredient your skin has been yearning for. Stay tuned to find out how rice can transform your skin in just 5 days. Rice has been a beauty secret of Asian women for centuries. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, rice has the ability to brighten, hydrate, and rejuvenate the skin. The unique combination of nutrients in rice helps to promote cell regeneration and improve skin elasticity, leaving you with a youthful and radiant complexion. Now, let me share with you a simple yet powerful rice face mask recipe that can change your skin in just 5 days. Start by soaking 1-2 cup of rice in water overnight. The next day, blend the soaked rice with a tablespoon of honey and a splash of milk to create a smooth paste. Apply this mask to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Repeat this process daily for 5 days and watch as your skin transforms before your eyes. Next up, let's focus on your hair. If you're looking to achieve shiny and silky hair, look no further than rice water. Rice water is packed with amino acids that help to strengthen and moisturize your hair, leaving it looking healthy and lustrous. To use rice water on your hair, simply rinse your hair with the water left over from cooking rice. You can also mix rice water with a few drops of essential oils for added benefits. Your hair will be thanking you for the extra dose of nutrient. Now, let's move on to improving your overall appearance. Did you know that rice can also be used as a natural exfoliator? By mixing rice flour with honey or yogurt, you can create a gentle scrub that will slough away dead skin cells and reveal a smoother and more radiant complexion. In just 5 days, you'll start to notice a significant difference in your skin, hair, and overall appearance. With consistent use of rice-based beauty treatments, you'll be stepping into the new school year with confidence and a glow that can't be ignored. So go ahead, give rice a try and see the amazing results for yourself. Remember, you deserve to shine like a diamond. I hope this video has inspired you to incorporate rice into your beauty routine and achieve a stunning glow up in just 5 days. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried any of these rice-based beauty treatments before and what your results were. I love hearing from all of you and sharing our beauty journeys together. Remember, beauty is not just about how you look on the outside, but also how you feel on the inside. Embrace your uniqueness and shine bright, my beauties. Until next time, take care and keep glowing.